It's a certified 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. Advanced safety features, a refined cabin, and towing capability make this Tahoe the perfect combination of comfort and versatility. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: V8 engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, dual-zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.